Hello folks, welcome back. As you can see, we've had some snow. 2 days ago we had 4 inches of snow. 2 days before that it was in the 70s. Typical for the first part of March. Temperatures are up and down. It's kind of like what I was talking about in the last video about making sure the bees have food because they're going to get boxed up for a few days at a time here. They are expanding their brood, so kind of keep an eye on them this time of year. So obviously we're not going to be doing any bee work today. It's only in the mid 40s. The snow's melting really fast. This coming week's going to be in the 60s for the most part. The bees will be able to get out and capitalize on all the maples that are blooming. So today I just got a little video clip I made. It was in August of 2020. I was in a small sunflower patch and I just thought it was kind of cheerful for this time of year. So I'm going to attach that. I hope you enjoy it. And I've got some more videos coming shortly. I'm up here in the sunflower patch. This is the Seneca sunflower. As you can see how tall they are. I'm about 6'3", 6'4", and most of these are much taller than me. Some are right about my height. This patch is just buzzing with honeybees, bumblebees, really small native bees. Butterflies are in here. They are really all over these sunflowers. Let's see if I can get a better view. The sun's really not coming at the right angle for this, but yeah. Just pollinators all over the place, and these flowers are just getting going. I would say only 20% have opened up yet. It's right next to the corn patch. I'll try to raise it up here so you can see a little more of it. You want to help the pollinators out in the middle of the summer when not much is blooming. Sunflower is a really good one to put out. It produces a lot of nectar, produces a lot of pollen. When they combine that pollen with other pollens that are available this year, the combination of them is pretty important to them for raising young. This is the protein source. The pollen is a protein source for the pollinators. So next year when you're thinking about planting some stuff for midsummer, for something cheerful, nothing more cheerful than a sunflower, put out a couple rows of sunflower.